Today I want to share a really great tip for writing video scripts. So say you have a program or an offer that you want to promote and you want to do this via video. So you could be creating a video for social media, or you could be creating a video for YouTube. This is how you do it, how to script it in a way that kind of helps you formulate what you want to say. So copywriting is not just about words written on a page, it's also about words that we speak as well. So you can use copywriting formula such as AIDA. Now, AIDA stands for A, attention, I, interest, D, desire, and A, action. So you can actually apply this copywriting formula to anything. You can use it to write web pages, even captions and things. But today I'm going to just tell you how to apply it to video. So say you have an offer that you want to promote. You start by capturing someone's attention in your script. So how are you going to pique their interest? How are you going to capture their attention? And you do this potentially by using a really interesting statistic, or even a snippet of a testimonial, or something that's really going to help them sit up and pay attention. So you start with attention. You then move on to interest. So now you've got their attention, how are you going to keep their interest? You can do this by talking about a problem that they might be experiencing that you can solve. So quite often people are more motivated or hooked in by feeling like they are understood, feeling like you understand the problem they are facing. So using the problem to pique their interest can work when you're in the interest section of AIDA. You then move on to desire. So the D is desire. This is where you actually talk about your offer. So something they desire, something they want to happen. So how are you going to solve this problem that you've created or you've talked about in your interest section by talking about the desire they have to solve it and how your solution can answer that desire? And then you go on to action. So what action do you want them to take? So the video does not have to be long. It can be a few minutes. It can be over half an hour, however long you want it to be. But if you split up your script into those 4 sections, so start by getting their attention, then get their interest or keep their interest by talking about the problem they have, talk about the desire or how they want to solve that problem by what your offer is, and then talk about the action you want them to take. So make sure you tell them what you want them to do next, and that can be a really nice way of scripting your videos for YouTube or for social media.